Everything you're about to see is AI, and done for free.
A newspaper once convinced thousands of people that the moon was full of bat people, not as a joke, as breaking news. In 1835,
No editing skills, and it still looks like this.
Wow.
Every frame you just saw is AI. Story, visuals, voice, all of it. And there's one setting in here most people get wrong that makes their videos look cheap. I'll show you exactly where it is. Let me show you why I'm even talking about this. There's a channel called 3/4 Town. It's 2 months old, already sitting at 18,400 subscribers. 2 months. And here's the part that matters. Run them through Social Blade, and you'll see it estimates them earning up to around $7,500 a month. From a channel that didn't exist 8 weeks ago. That tells you 2 things. 1, this niche pays. 2, it's brand new, which means it's wide open. They're doing claymation videos about random facts and history. That's it. Nothing you can't do. But channels like this are popping up fast. So the move is to start before everybody else floods in. Now I'll show you exactly which step built each part, so you understand the thought behind it. Stick with me to the animation step, because that's the part that makes or breaks the whole thing. This starts with one prompt. A master prompt I designed that does all the heavy lifting. It picks the story, writes the voiceover, writes the image prompts, and writes the motion prompts. All of it in one shot. All you have to do is comment claimation, and it's yours. Open ChatGPT, or honestly any AI chatbot you like, and paste it in. Hit enter, and it hands you a full package. A clean voiceover script, a numbered image prompt for every scene, and a matching motion prompt for every scene. And just like that, your entire video is planned before you've touched a single tool. That's the blueprint. Copy that output and keep it open. You'll be pulling from it the whole time. Now we turn those image prompts into actual scenes. Head over to Google Flow. We're building this shot by shot, one scene at a time. Go back to your ChatGPT output. Copy the prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow, and generate. Here's the setting that trips everyone up. Aspect ratio. Set it to 9:16. If you leave it on the default, usually a square or a wide 16:9, your video gets cropped and zoomed on Reels and TikTok. And that's the exact cheap look I warned you about. 9:16, every single scene, no exceptions. Then do the rest the same way. Scene 2, scene 3, all the way down, straight from your prompt list. One trick for consistency: once you get a character you like, reuse that first image as your reference for the next scenes, so your character doesn't change faces halfway through. Download every scene as you finish it. And there it is, your whole story, now sitting on screen as a set of stills. It's starting to look like something. This is the step I told you to wait for. This is where it comes alive. We're animating these stills inside Google Vids. When you land on the platform, look for VO. Then switch from Create from Scratch over to Animate an Image. That's the mode you want. Now click Add Image and upload your first scene. Go back to your ChatGPT output. Copy the motion prompt for that exact scene, the one describing the camera move and the action, and paste it in. Then generate. Once it's done, insert that clip into your scene. Now just repeat it down the line. Image 2, paste its motion prompt. Generate, insert. Image 3, same thing. All the way through every scene you've got. When all your scenes are animated, head to Files and download everything to your device. So to the final stretch. Let's give it a voice, then put it all together. First, the audio. Open Google AI Studio and find the text-to-speech option. Select the narration voice. Here's where you make it sound human, not robotic. Set the delivery to empathetic, not slow, and tweak the other settings until the tone fits the story you're telling. Now go back to your ChatGPT output. Copy the voiceover script the prompt already wrote for you and paste it into the text-to-speech model. Generate it. Listen back, adjust whatever needs adjusting until it lands right, then download the voiceover to your device. Now for the final part. Open CapCut, or whatever editor you're comfortable in. Drop your voiceover onto the timeline first. Then lay your animated clips on top, in order, one after another, lining each clip up to the part of the voiceover it belongs to.
Then cut any dead end, tighten the gaps, and trim anything that drags so everything fits before the voiceover ends. Captions are optional. Add them if you want, leave them off if you like it cleaner. Hit export. And that's a finished, post-ready video, built entirely from one prompt and a few free tools. Now let's watch our result. But last reminder, the master prompt that does all of this, the story, the voiceover, the image prompts, the motion prompts, is yours for free. Just comment claimation below and I'll send it your way. Hit subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for more videos, and I'll see you on the next build.
A newspaper once convinced thousands of people that the moon was full of bat people, not as a joke, as breaking news. In 1835, readers opened their papers and saw reports that a giant telescope had spotted forests, strange animals, and winged human-like creatures living on the moon. The story looked scientific. It even borrowed the name of a respected astronomer to make it sound real. People believed it. Other newspapers repeated it. Some readers couldn't get enough of it.